What's up everyone, you know who it is. Today we're going to be doing cells in real life. So join me as we take this journey, okay that was cringy, but through this project, okay?
First up, we have the nucleus. This book bag is the nucleus of the cell. It contains all of my information and it is the control center for which I use throughout my day. The nucleus contains chromosomes, which house DNA.
Having technical difficulties.
Inside is our DNA with all of our information. So yeah, that's about it for the nucleus. Now this is a pencil. This is the Nucleolus. The Nucleolus encodes the genes for ribosomal RNA. So in a nutshell, the Nucleolus helps make ribosomes and it is located inside of the nucleus. This is the smooth ER. The smooth ER helps synthesize lipids and transport them through the cell in things called vesicles. So right here we have our coffee mug and it is a smooth ER. It's going to help transport the lipids into vesicles throughout the cell. Just like that. Bang. This is the rough ER. The reason they call it the rough ER is because of the ribosomes that are on it give it a bumpy look. The rough ER, like I said, has ribosomes on it and it helps transport proteins throughout the cell. And both the rough ER and the smooth ER are like right next to each other by the nucleus, but I can't bring a coffee machine like right here, but you get what I'm trying to do. So that's your rough ER. Next, we have the Golgi Apparatus. We're going to be using a water bottle for this one. This is because it takes simple molecules and then it takes those molecules and makes them into more complex ones. Now I can't really show that on video because that's kind of hard. I would have to do like a chemical reaction or whatever. But just for video's sake, we're going to use some water. Take it. It's small right now.
That's what she said!
Pardon the joke. But now we got a bunch of water and it made a more complex molecule. And then it proceeds to put these molecules into vesicles and then transport them wherever they need to go, whether it's in the cell or out of the cell. Also, I forgot to mention that this organelle produces lysosomes. So yeah, that's about it for the Golgi apparatus. Let's move on. Next we have the mitochondria, and we're going to be using sport beans, which are basically like quick energy jelly beans. But as we all should know, the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It takes in a bunch of nutrients, it then breaks it down, and then it creates energy. So yeah, that's the mitochondria for you. This is our chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are organelles only found in plant cells. Chloroplasts conduct photosynthesis. Chloroplasts can also move around in the cell, as he is doing. Chloroplasts contain their own DNA, and they contain chlorophyll.
And poor chlorophyll is caught in the middle of this.
Chlorophyll? More like borophyll. Right?
So yeah, that'll do it for the chloroplasts. These are the vacuoles. The vacuoles are basically the storage units of the cell. They can store food and other nutrients within the cell. These organelles are found in both animal and plant cells, but in plant cells the vacuoles are huge. So yeah, that's it for the vacuoles. Let's go on to the next one. This water filter is a lysosome. Lysosomes contain enzymes that can break down virtually all kinds of biomolecules. Also, lysosomes act as a digestive system, and so you have normal water, which is tap water, and then you have filtered water. So yeah, this is your lysosome, and let's move on. These poles are the cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is present in all cells. It is a complex network of interlinking filaments and microtubules. These extend throughout the whole cytoplasm. The cytoskeleton gives the cell its shape and its form and keeps the cell stable. Without these, the cell would collapse. That's it for the cytoskeleton. Let's move on. Alright, so these spaghetti noodles are the centrioles. A centriole is a cylindrical cell structure that is composed mainly of a protein called tubulin. An associated pair of centrioles compose a complex structure known as a centrosome. Centrioles are involved in organizing microtubules. And here's just a picture to see how similar these two look. So yeah, that's it for the spaghetti noodles. Let's go. Boys, it's about to storm up in here. Anyway, excuse the wind, but the house is the cell membrane. The cell membrane is a biological membrane that separates the interior of the cell from the outside environment. Just like right now, this house is protecting us from the storm that is about to come. The basic function of the cell membrane is to protect the cell from its surroundings, as this house is doing. So yeah, that'll do it for the cell membrane, and this wraps up the video. I'll see you in a sec.
I know y'all just enjoyed watching that video. If you're watching this on YouTube, leave a like on the video. Hopefully we get a good grade on this, because I put a lot of hard work into it. Anyways, everyone should come and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're on YouTube, just search up 2Shot and it'll come right up. One word, just 2Shot. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later.